The Chicco KeyFit infant car seat base anthracite is a must-have travel companion for busy parents who prioritize convenience and safety. Hi there. Welcome back to our channel My Mum's Choice. Installation of this car seat base is incredibly easy and hassle-free, ensuring a perfect fit for your baby in just a few simple steps. Special features like the recline shore leveling foot and ride bubble level indicators help you find and confirm the ideal angle for the car seat, ensuring your baby's safety and comfort. The KeyFit infant car seat base is equipped with premium latch connectors and a super cinch tightener, providing unmatched security and a secure fit with minimal effort. If you prefer using your vehicle's seat belt, the base offers clear belt routing and integrated lock-offs, making the installation process simple and secure. Designed with a smooth underside, the car seat base protects your vehicle's seats from any potential damage, allowing you to maintain your car's pristine condition. The base is compatible with both the Chicco KeyFit and KeyFit 30 infant car seats, allowing for easy transfer between cars and providing convenience for all caregivers. Removing the car seat from the base is quick and effortless with a one-hand removal feature, catering to the busy lifestyle of parents on the go. The KeyFit infant car seat has been trusted and loved by parents and car seat experts for over a decade due to its unmatched ease of use and exceptional safety features. By investing in the Chicco KeyFit infant car seat base anthracite, you can provide your little one with the safest and most comfortable travel experience, ensuring stress-free journeys and cherished moments with your precious bundle of joy. Please share your feedback with us. It's helpful for other new parents also. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel, My Mum's Choice, for more baby product reviews. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time. Love you all.